Money to Venmo from Cash App. In this video, we are going to learn how to add money to Venmo from Cash App. So let's get started. In step number 1, it is bank account. Link the same bank account to both your Cash App and Venmo accounts. You can transfer funds from Cash App to your bank account and then from your bank account to Venmo or vice versa. Second, debit card. Similarly, you can link the same debit card to both of your Cash App and Venmo accounts. You can then transfer funds from Cash App to your debit card and then from your debit card to Venmo or vice versa. Third option, peer-to-peer transfer. If you have a trusted friend or family member who has both Cash App and Venmo accounts, you can send money to them on one platform and ask them to send an equivalent amount back to you on the other platform. Number 4, using a third-party service. Some third-party services may offer the ability to facilitate transfers between Cash App and Venmo, but be cautious and ensure the services is reputable and secure. That's how you can easily add money to Venmo from Cash App. Thanks for watching.